Let's create another fastfall floral. We're going to make a porch pot step sitter with these stems. We're starting out with an 8-inch little bucket. It's galvanized and a half a brick of foam glued into the bottom. There's plenty of space because when using these bushes and stems, if I don't want to cut them apart, I can save time by not bringing the foam up too high. And the focal point will be our sunflower. Let's put the background in first. This stem is going all the way to the bottom, and you're going to shape it out a little bit, separate it, and give it some life. Next, we will work that sunflower bush right through the center of it. And this one will need shaping as well. All the little parts and pieces will have to be featured, and you'll want to make sure you shape every stem to soften up the look so it doesn't look stiff and straight out of the box. Also, you'll be able to find these silk floral stems and more on our website at shopmagnoliasonline.com. We'll make sure that the bottom gets filled in nicely with this little Fittonia bush. It's a nice bright color, holds up great outside, but I love it especially because it fills so well. And we'll spill over the sides, making that little pot look nice and full. There we go. Fan that out. And when we are ready for our berry, that one will naturally run right through the center of our pot, and we're going to cut some of that stem length off. And again, make sure our berry is well shaped. Pretty simple, just a few components, and we can finish that all off with a bright, cheerful bow, worked right through the middle. I have pre-tied one and added a stake to the back. We'll tuck that one in and let the tails run through. It's a cute little step sitter for a small spot in your home.